Hey there! Welcome to another episode where we dive deep into the essentials of healthy living. Today, let's talk about something crucial for your health and well-being: getting essential nutrients from real food versus supplements. It's a topic that's been debated a lot, but today, I'm here to break it down for you. We'll explore the pros and cons of each, and by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of what's best for you. When it comes to essential nutrients, you've got two main options: supplements and real food. Both have their place, but they serve different purposes. Supplements might seem like a quick and easy fix to fill those nutritional gaps, but trust me, real food is always the better choice. Let's dive into why. Real food offers a range of benefits that supplements simply can't match. First up, bioavailability. This is a fancy term that basically means how well your body can absorb and use the nutrients. Nutrients from whole foods are more easily absorbed by your body. This is because they come in a natural form that your body recognizes and knows how to process. Imagine eating a juicy orange. Your body knows what to do with all the vitamins and minerals packed in there. The fiber, the natural sugars, and the vitamins all work together harmoniously. But with supplements, you might not get the same absorption. Then there's synergy. This is another key point. Whole foods contain a complex mix of vitamins, minerals, and other compounds that work together to give you optimal nutrition. This synergy is something that supplements often lack. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance where every nutrient plays its part. Each component enhances the effectiveness of the others. And let's not forget fiber. Fiber is crucial for a healthy digestive system and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whole foods are rich in fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion and keeping you full and satisfied. You won't find that in your average supplement. Now let's talk about regulation. The food industry is heavily regulated to ensure safety and nutrition. This means that the fruits, vegetables, and other foods you buy have to meet strict standards. But the supplement industry? Not so much. This can lead to inconsistent quality and safety issues. You might not always get what you think you're getting. Speaking of risks, supplements can vary widely in quality and potency. This variability can sometimes lead to unexpected side effects. There's also the risk of interactions with medications or adverse effects if you take too much. Always something to keep in mind. It's important to be cautious and well-informed. But hey, I'm not saying supplements are all bad. They can be beneficial in certain situations. For example, the elderly might need vitamin D and calcium for bone health. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing fractures. Vegans and vegetarians might look to vitamin B12 and iron. These nutrients are often lacking in plant-based diets, and pregnant or breastfeeding women might benefit from folic acid and iron. These are essential for the health of both the mother and the baby. So while supplements can be helpful, getting your nutrients from whole foods is generally the best way to support your health. Whole foods provide a balanced array of nutrients that work together to keep you healthy. If you do need supplements, make sure to talk to a healthcare provider to ensure you're getting high-quality products that meet your individual needs. Thanks for tuning in. Your health is worth the extra effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and insights. We're here to help you live your best life. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Take care and keep nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer.